Alright, so today we're going to be looking on how to create a style guide using Claude Code and how to then further generate images based on that style. We're going to be using a CLI called Wonda. You can find it right here on wonda.sh. What we're going to try and basically achieve through this video is to see how easy it can become now to store locally images on your computer, and then based on those you can create a style and then further generate images within that style. To install the CLI, you simply copy this and you go to your AI instance of choice. We're going to be using Claude Code today, and then you just tell it to install it, and then every time you want to use the set of skills that is within Wonda, you can do so just by asking Claude Code. Now, I already am in Claude Code and I have started a new session. I have the Wonda CLI already installed, so I'm just going to be working on the style guide right now. So before we actually start, I'm actually going to go online and look for Perplexity. I already typed in. You can go on Cosmos or anywhere on the internet to find images within that brand, and it could be yours, obviously. I'm going to do a study case specifically on Perplexity because ever since they launched, I really liked their approach in terms of curiosity and the imagery that they've created. So we're going to save a couple of images. I would say 5 to 7 images is enough. And it helps a lot if you can save the images that you're doing in the same folder that you're going to be working on when you start the session in Claude Code or your AI instance of your choice, such as Codex or any other tool. So I'm going to download 5 to 7 images. It helps also if you want to do further some ads or some posters. If you already have a direction towards that, then that also helps a lot. So the look is very raw, analog, dreamy. It has motion blur to it. It has very vivid coloring. It feels almost like a dream. This is the kind of style that we want to basically achieve when we want to further create our images. So I have saved my images in the folder of our work. You can see here they are MP4 as well as JPEGs. The advantage is that the CLI actually can read videos as well, so it can analyze and extract from that everything that we need. So we're going to go into Claude Code and we're going to say you can either type or speak. I use Whisperflow, which helps me a lot whenever I want to just skip the typing and just focus on speaking to the AI model. And I'm going to say, I have saved a number of images in our working folder, and some of them are images, some of them are videos. I expect you to use the Wonda CLI in order to analyze those. And then I want you to create a style guide based on them, because I want to then further generate some images and then potentially create some ads that I want to further use. But first and foremost, I want you to look at the images, create a style guide, and make a description of it for me, because I want to then use it in the right way when we further generate images. I'm going to press enter. Okay, perfect. We have also a description. It picked up also on some fonts because I had that. Terrence Malick, probably it's coming from the choice of lens and the feel of some of the framing. Very nice analysis. Okay, now I'm going to say I want to generate a number of images in the same style in the following locations and with a protagonist. We're going to say beach, middle of a city, balcony, forest, and the camp. I'm going to say I wanted to evoke a lot of curiosity, discovery, nostalgia, and beauty in solitude. I just want the images first, and I want them in a 4x5 format in that style that we have depicted earlier. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, let's see. This one's good. This one's good. This one's okay. But this one, and especially this one I think is my favorite, the balcony one. So we're gonna use that one, the balcony one. We're gonna say, by using the same brand feeling, I want to create a poster for Perplexity with an appropriate message about curiosity and their text, and like it's gonna be a static ad with just that image and the text that needs to be added as well. Did two versions. Here it repeated the tagline. It's a nice one. Yeah, there we go. So this is how you can make a poster based on a style guide that you have created using Claude Code and the Wonda CLI. See you in the next one.